Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. The vehicle has just undergone a extensive amount of exterior work, which includes the full exterior styling package now, which really does bring the Model 3 into line with a lot better styled vehicle. The Model 3, whilst it is a good looking car, can be a little bit plain. And of course, if you do want the car to stand out, this is where we of course come in with the exterior styling. If you want to know more, please do click the links available through the description box. We'll cover plenty within our walk around. We can also offer an upgrade on the wheels that you see on the car. However, this Model 3 does come with the original wheels with of course the clip over Tesla trims, as you can see there, with the Michelin Pilot Sport tyres. They are 18-inch. But of course, we do offer a wide array of different upgrades for those. And if you are interested, just give us a call and we can run you through the different options. Beginning at the front, however, so it has got now a front splitter. It's got aero mirrors and now has got to the side sill extensions, rear spoiler and rear diffuser. It also benefits from the full black surrounds. So that's the door handles, window surrounds as well, which does make a big difference. You can either choose the black or the chrome. The chrome is far too much, in my opinion, for the Model 3. It's also got full black badge set as well, so it's the little Tesla signs you can see. The Model 3 provides a good practical all-rounder. Of course, you've got plenty of boot space, owing to the fact there is no intrusion from the batteries, because the batteries run right the way through the floor plan of the car. Plenty of interior space. You've got the full black leather with the light green wood on this one. We'll talk more about the centre screen in just a second. Big interior space. You've got those two segregated glass roof panels. If I just take a quick seat inside, then this is of course where you control everything from right the way through down to your navigation, to your car settings. So as you can see here, you control everything even down to opening the glove box from the central screen. You've got your charging settings here. You've got your autopilot settings there. And you can go ahead and search things up like the odometer readings. So this car has covered just over 67,000, nearly 68,000 miles. And if we go back to the main menu and bring up some more of the functionality there, you can see for yourself this car has got the dash cams, the arcade, the toy box, the browser. So again, there's plenty to keep you entertained, but it has also got more standard features, if you will, like DAB radio, Bluetooth line in, reverse and side cameras. So that is a look around at this Tesla Model 3, now with that full exterior styling, really does change the car up. For more details, please don't forget to click the links available. Thank you, bye-bye.